Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I wanted to show you this man cave recently completed in Haywards Heath, West Sussex, which is very near our factory and show centre. It's a nice cold winter's day here, but the rain has stopped, so I thought I'd come and show you this building. It's in our standard anthracite colour. Got a bit of a unique orientation here. The door on the side, this is the actual entrance. The house sits there. And actually what we've done in a trench here, we brought water in, waste away along with the electrics. You can see the full drop windows that are essentially on the front. This is all due to be landscaped and actually cut back a bit around here and create a nicer lower platform. But you can see what we've done here. If I pop up here, is the next two windows are actually at desk height. So this is like half full drop windows and part half drop windows, and that's where the desk is going in this man cave. Really nicely set up inside, doing everything you would need. Let me just wander around and take you inside. So we've done the widest door possible. It's a UPVC door. It's around about 915 wide, which is 3 foot. And if we come inside, it really is doing everything you want out of a man cave here. So we've got the office set up there. We've got our own Wi-Fi zone, so that works really nicely. Lounge and a TV on the wall, that's connected up to Sky Q. Got all the Sky Sports and everything on there. And then we run around, we've actually got a gym set up there with the mirror there. If I pop around there, hello, how you doing? There's the mirror that we've done there. And then in this corner here, heater on the wall, you can see that there along with the weights. We've actually made this into a toilet and a basin. So if I open that up there, you can see, if I wander around, nice toilet basin and a little towel warmer that also doubles up to heat this room as well. We've done a new instantaneous water heater. This is a really nice new option that we've got. So instead of having to have a little system in here which is holding hot water, this actually does it instantly. So similar cost to our hot water storage option, but if you're using it occasionally, you don't have to keep the hot water stored. So it's a really cost-effective option in doing that, as opposed to having a constant 10 litres of hot water there. All the new MDF lining, a new more flush ceiling design that we're doing at the moment. We're experimenting with a clean aligned ceiling and reducing the trims, and this is one of our first ones with one of these options. It's a really nice option, so I'm really pleased with that, and we've got more of them to come at the show centre. And there you go. So that man cave is 5.7 metres wide, 3.6 metres deep. If I just shut that door there and pan back in the MTX cladding anthracite colour. All of our standard options with that self-contained element does mean when they've got guests and family they've got come over from abroad, they can actually stay in this occasionally overnight, which is also another great addition to it. If these kind of buildings are of interest to you, give us a call or keep up to date on our social. Thank you.